by law because he happens to be the son of an influential person. On the basis of his social position, or you can say on the basis of his money power, he is not punished. On contrary to it, on the other hand, Jones also commits the same crime. He also commits the crime of stealing a silver box, and he is punished by law. Not only he, even his wife, who worked in the house of Jack's father, was also punished. She had to lose her job, she had to vacate the house, and she suffers along with her husband. When we examine, we find that the dramatist has tried to throw light on the process of law and its implementation. Had law been equal, both of them must have been punished, but this does not happen. Says the dramatist, law grinds the poor and the rich men rule the law. This is a fact. The evils of legal system of England have been well expressed. Galsworthy had very good knowledge of the legal system, and through this drama he has hinted that law is not equal to both the sections of the society. For the rich man, for the powerful man, law is liberal, but contrary to it, for the poor man or for the underdogs, law is very cruel. This drama has presented the social inequality also. The dramatist, in the manner of Galsworthy, has also hinted at the fact that society is also responsible for the crimes being committed by the poor persons or jobless persons like Jones. He was unemployed, he did not get any job, and it was on account of the unequal social distinction. In the state of intoxication, he commits the crime and he is punished. The drama has been written in a naturalistic style. The characters have been beautifully presented. They have been beautifully portrayed by the dramatist. The dramatist's genius as a dramatist of ideas have been well expressed in this drama. There are several dramatists who wrote dramas only for aesthetic pleasure. You can say that their concept was art for art's sake. But Galsworthy wrote dramas art for life's sake. This was also the opinion held by George Bernard Shaw and Galsworthy also wrote on this pattern. In this drama, the faulty legal system